Welcome to Verdana Village, the newest and most exciting community in Estero, Florida. I'm thrilled to be here today to introduce you to this incredible place that could soon become your new home. Let's take a closer look. Verdana Village is designed with you in mind, offering a unique blend of luxury, comfort, and convenience. It's an oasis where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life while still being close to everything you need. The first thing you'll notice as you enter Verdana Village is the attention to detail and the impeccable landscaping. The streets are lined with palm trees, creating a welcoming and tropical atmosphere. The clubhouse is the heart of the community, a place where neighbors gather, socialize, and make lifelong friendships. Take a dip in the stunning community pool or relax poolside and soak up the Florida sunshine. Or, get active. Indoor and outdoor tennis and pickleball courts as well as a state-of-the-art gym keep you fit and healthy. Now, let's talk about the homes. Verdana Village offers a wide range of thoughtfully designed floor plans, from spacious two-story homes to elegant single-level houses. Each home is built with top-quality craftsmanship and features the latest in modern amenities. Let's step inside one of the model homes to get a feel for the spaciousness and attention to detail that awaits you. From open floor plans to gourmet kitchens, these homes are designed for comfort, style, and functionality. As you can see, the homes at Verdana are designed with modern families in mind. With multiple bedrooms, ample storage space, and flexible living areas, you'll have plenty of room to accommodate your lifestyle and make lasting memories. Another great advantage of Verdana Village is its prime location. Estero, Florida, is known for its stunning natural beauty, fantastic weather, and a wealth of recreational opportunities. Plus, it's just minutes away from world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Whether you're looking for a day at the beach, a round of golf, or a night out on the town, Estero has it all. And with Verdana Village's convenient location, you can easily access all these amenities without having to travel far. Thank you for joining me today to explore Verdana Village, the newest community in Estero, Florida. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, a growing family, or looking to downsize, Verdana Village has the perfect home for you. Contact me today to schedule a visit and see for yourself why Verdana Village is the place